optimal performance through correct installation techniques. The implementation of a linear guide system necessitates meticulous mounting, positioning, and installation processes to ensure optimal performance. Precision during installation is of paramount importance, as improper mounting can introduce unnecessary strain, compromising the longevity and reducing the accuracy of the system. Ensuring precise alignment and positioning during installation prevents uneven wear and stress on vital components. Adhering to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications when securing bolts and fasteners is essential to maintain the structural integrity of linear motion systems. Furthermore, verifying the alignment of linear guides, screws, and other components averts binding, excessive wear, or decreased efficiency in the system. When installing the linear guide rail, the installation team must adhere strictly to the specified guidelines, employing an experienced and knowledgeable technician to manage the installation process guarantees that the system will perform as intended, thereby enhancing its reliability and performance.